In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in iLovePDF. To get started, open the Workspace page in your browser. This is the main area where you can access your PDF tools and manage the files you want to work with. Once the Workspace loads, look over to the left-hand navigation panel. This side menu gives you access to different editing and document options. From that left menu, click on Edit. This opens the editing tools available for your PDF. After that, choose Edit Text. This is the specific tool you'll use when you want to change existing text inside a PDF document rather than just adding comments or annotations. Next, you'll need to bring a file into the editor. You can do that by clicking Upload New Files if the document is saved on your device and you want to import it fresh. If you've already worked with the document before, there's also a faster option. You can click Choose from Recent Files to pull in something you've already uploaded. In this example, go ahead and choose the sample file from the Recent Files list. Selecting a recent file can save time and helps you jump straight into editing without searching through folders again. Once the file opens, wait a moment for the document editor to fully load so all of the text elements become available. At the top of the editor, click Edit Text again. This makes sure the text editing mode is active inside the document itself. That step is important because some PDF editors include multiple editing modes, and you want to be in the one that allows direct text changes. Now select the sample text in the document and customize it. Click directly on the text you want to change, then type in your updated wording. Depending on the editor options visible on screen, you may also be able to adjust things like formatting, font appearance, or other text properties while the text is selected. Take your time here and make sure your changes match the rest of the document for a clean, professional result. As a quick tip, if the text doesn't seem immediately editable, click again carefully on the exact text area and confirm that Edit Text mode is still enabled. Small alignment differences can happen in PDFs, so zooming in can also help you make more precise edits. And that's how to edit text in iLovePDF. Once your changes look right, you're ready to continue with the rest of your document workflow.